What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of MSI Modern 14, the 2021 Ryzen 5 series laptop. So we are going to talk about its design, performance, features, all of its pros and cons, while performing a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. Inside the retail box of MSI Modern 14, you will find a 65 watt power adapter, the MSI Modern 14 laptop, and some quick start guide, user manuals, etc. Talking about the design, it comes with the exact same design and chassis that we have seen on previous generation of MSI Modern 14 laptops. So if you would like to know in detail about the design of this device, you can watch my previous review of Modern 14 by visiting the link given in the description below or by clicking the one appearing at the top of the screen. In short, it is still very lightweight, quite sturdy, pretty slim at 16.9 mm thickness, comes with lots of slots and ports. The screen can be rotated up to 180 degrees and the hinge of the screen lifts up the device from the surface for better ventilation and provides a nice angle for typing as well. The metallic matte finished body looks beautiful and quite premium as well. The variant of MSI Modern 14 we got here in this video comes with AMD Ryzen 5 series 5500U processor with Radeon graphics. You got 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and the device is running on Windows 10. So even though the configuration is quite basic, the performance is still quite nice and actually way above other laptops in this price segment. In our various benchmarking tests, the device scored pretty good points considering the hardware we got, and the real life performance was also quite nice. Even though this is not a gaming laptop and the GPU unit is pretty basic, you will still be able to play some low end and mid-range games without facing much issue, and even after putting lots of load on the device heats up very slightly. But sometimes the fan gets really noisy, and considering the small size of the device, the fans are comparatively a bit noisy. My favorite part of the MSI Modern 15 is always the keyboard. The keys are big, come with nice texture, and the 1.5 mm key travel provides a very nice typing experience on this device. It also comes with few dedicated keys that you can use to turn on or off the microphone and the webcam. You can switch between various performance profiles of the MSI Center Pro, and the keyboard comes with 3 levels of backlighting. Talking about the touchpad, it is slightly indented, but it's very smooth and the texture is so nice that it feels good while using it. It's also very responsive and accurate, and you won't feel any issue while using the touchpad of the MSI Modern 14. Talking about the display, it comes with a 14-inch Full HD screen, so the display quality is quite nice, and because of the high PPI you get sharp visuals. There is also no pulse width modulation issue on this device, but the brightness is quite low and you will face issue while using the device in bright sunlight and outdoors. The battery performance is quite nice. On moderate usage you get around 8 hours of battery life, and it comes with 65 watt charger that charges the battery from 0% to 100% in a bit less than 2 hours. The two 2 watt speakers provided at the bottom are also good enough for casual usage, and it comes with dynamic sound that enhances the audio experience based on the content you are consuming on this device. Talking about the connectivity, the MSI Modern 14 comes with a 4K at 30Hz HDMI port, one USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, one microSD slot, one combo jack for the headphone and the microphone, and then we got 2 Type-A USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports. So there is no RJ45 port provided, and considering the price, the lack of Thunderbolt port is quite acceptable. And it also comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 for wireless connectivity. MSI Modern 14 also comes with MSI Center Pro that you can use to improve the productivity and your user experience on this device. It allows you to select various user profile based on your preference and activity. It comes with battery optimizer that allows you to select how you would like the battery of your MSI Modern 14 to be charged. In the application optimizer, you can select particular applications for which you would like the performance of the device to be increased when you are working on them, and then you can perform various analysis like performance analysis, system analysis, one-click optimization, system restoration, etc. right from the MSI Center Pro. You can also perform many different kinds of diagnosis of the hardware of MSI Modern 14 using the MSI Center Pro. So overall, MSI Modern 14 is a very nice budget laptop in every aspect, especially considering the ratio of performance, design compared to the pricing. It is a nice laptop for students, young professional content creators who do not want to spend too much money but still would like to get satisfactory performance from the device device for studies, content creating, and also for work-related activities. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.